Depending on the disease process, there are a number of surgical treatments available to the clinician. Removal of the fragment is accepted by most surgeons to be the treatment of choice for dogs with FCP. The two most common techniques include arthroscopy or a medial arthrotomy. Arthroscopy, the preferred method by many veterinary surgeons, provides a less invasive procedure. A dynamic proximal ulnar osteotomy, or DPUO, is performed in cases of elbow dysplasia that have joint incongruity and substantial patient growth remaining. The surgeon incises the skin and periosteum on the caudal aspect of the ulna and uses an oscillating saw to cut the bone. The oblique osteotomy ostectomy is made distal to the trochlear notch, running from cranial distal to caudal proximal to prevent rotation of the proximal segment with contraction of the triceps muscles. Stabilization of the ulna is suggested by insertion of a small intramedullary pin. Removal of the ununited anconeal process is one surgical technique for treating UAP. A caudolateral approach to the elbow is made through the skin and anconeus muscle. The surgeon then identifies the anconeus and gently excises it from the joint by sharp dissection. Another treatment option for UAP is reattachment of the anconeus to the olecranon using a screw placed in lag fashion. From a caudolateral approach, align the edges of the anconeus with the olecranon and place a screw in the standard lag technique, or more simply with the head of the screw caudal and the thread of the screw engaging the anconeus. As with all cases of OCD, the flap should be removed. Abrasion arthroplasty, curettage, or forage is then performed to the subchondral bone to encourage bleeding and formation of fibrocartilage. Commonly utilized techniques include arthroscopy or arthrotomy.